Okay, so this is another question. Pause the video, check try to solve it, and then you can continue to play this. Okay, so what is the first and the most important step in this question is you have a left-hand side, and you have a right-hand side. So when you get log of something and when you get log of something else, so there is a process that we called as taking anti-log, and then the logs can be removed, and this will be equal. So this is possible only when you have a single log on either side. So right now what you see is here there are two logs. So how can we make it as a single log? So we remember the property that is PQ is equal to log of P and log of Q. So if that is applied over here, I will get log of x minus 1 into x, and here I have 4x. Okay, so when I take anti-log, so taking anti-log, so what do we have? X square minus x is equal to 4x, and x square minus 5x, I get it as 0, and then you have x common, so x minus 5 equal to 0. So that leaves x as 0, or x minus 5 as 0, so that gives you x as 5. But you have to remember the law, that is log of x to the base a is valid only if x is greater than 0. X can't be 0. Okay, so it's not greater than equal to, it is greater than 0. So therefore we have to reject this, and we have one answer, that is x is equal to 5. Okay, so keep this in mind. Let's move to the next question. Again, we have log plus log on our left hand side and equal to log 12 on the right hand side. So we apply the first law and we get x into x minus 4. This is log 12. Okay, do write this, taking anti-log on both sides. So we have x square minus 4x is 12. X square minus 4x minus 12 is 0. Okay, so how do you factorize this? Product is minus 12 and sum is minus 4. What are the two numbers? Think about it. Pause the video. Okay, so the answer is negative 6 and 2. So when you have x square minus 6x plus 2x minus 12, so you get x minus 6, x minus 6, x minus 6, x plus 2. Okay, let's continue here. So therefore x minus 6 is 0, x is equal to 6, or you have x plus 2 is 0, x is equal to negative 2. Again, what I have told you some time back, okay, x needs to be greater than 0. So therefore this is not considered, and x equal to 6 is our answer. Okay, do write this as a reason for rejecting x equal to negative 2. Let's move to the next question now. Okay, so in this case, we have log minus log, and here there is no log. So in this case, what do we do? Okay, so you know that when there is, like here, the base is given as 3. That's also very important. So when you have log 3 to the base 3, that is 1. When you have log 3 squared to the base 3, that is 2. Okay, so how that is 2? Because that will be 2 times log 3 to the base 3. Okay, so this is what you need to remember. And here, if this was 3, so that would be log of 3 cube. So let us write this as a single log. So x plus 2 upon x minus 1 is log of 9 to the base 3. Okay, this is what I've done. You could have also done it in a way that if you leave it as 2 and then you convert the logarithmic form to exponential form. Okay, so for now I'm writing it as this, and now I'm taking anti-log. So I get x plus 2, x minus 1 as 9. So x plus 2 is 9 times x minus 1. So I get x plus 2 is 9x minus 9. Okay, so 2 plus 9 is 9x minus x. So what we have over here, 11 is equal to 8x, and this is 11 by 8. Sorry, yeah. This is the answer. Right, let's move to the next one. Okay, so again, take your time, pause the video, try to solve this, and then you can move ahead. So in the previous question, when there was 2 on the right hand side and the base was 3, I told you to write it as 3 squared. Now this is 3 on the right hand side and the base is 2. So 3 can be replaced as log of 8 to the base 2. Okay, I hope you are following this part. And there is a plus sign over here. So this can be written as log of x into x minus 2 to the base 2. And this is log of 8 to the base 2. Okay. Again, I'm saying if you don't want to write this, you don't need to write it. You have to convert the logarithmic form to exponential form. So here this is taking antilog. So you get x square minus 2x as 8, x square minus 2x minus 8 as 0. Again, the product is minus 8 and the sum is minus 2. Answer is minus 4 and 2. So x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 as 0. You get x minus 4. And here you get x minus 4. So x minus 4, x plus 2. So x minus 4 is 0, x is 4. Or you get x plus 2 is 0. So you get x as minus 2. Again, the logic, log of x to the base a is valid only when x is greater than 0. So therefore, this is not the answer. This is the answer. So x equal to 4 is the answer to the question. Okay, let's go to the next one. Again, I want you to pause the video. What will you write on the right hand side? Think about it. This is 4 and the base is 2. Okay, plus this is a sum. So it will be a product. So it will be x plus 1, x minus 1, and this is log of 16 to the base 2. Okay, taking antilog, what do we have over here? This is x square minus 1 is 16 because a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. X square is equal to 17 and you get x as plus minus root of 17. And of course, then we need to take root 17 only. The reason being that the log of anything cannot be negative. Okay, so log of x to the base a, x has to be greater than 0. So if you take negative of root 17, and remember, root of 17 will be 4 point something. So negative of root 17 will be negative 4 point something. So that will make this negative, and of course this will also be negative because like negative 4 point something minus 1 will be negative 5 point something. So therefore the answer is a positive root of 17. Right. So this is now pretty obvious. It is single log on either side and the bases are equal. So we will write taking antilog. Taking antilog. So what do you have? 2x minus 1 is x plus 5. So 2x minus x is 5 plus 1. X is 6. That's the answer. Okay, we'll go to the next question now.